You have to go like this when I go like this, okay? Other way. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Leah Toshia. So today we have a special guest, my fiance, Victor Roach. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a relationship Q&A. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions about him or me or our relationship. So we're gonna be answering y'all's questions today, and I'm gonna be quizzing him on me and our relationship. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I'll have his stuff listed down below too. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Starbucks sponsor us.
I know, right?
Okay, we'll start with this one. How long have you been together? Also, I gotta make sure I don't answer all the questions because I feel like I'm just gonna answer them all. But I'm gonna make you answer some. Okay, well you can answer this one then.
How long have you been together?
Yeah.
About 2 years. It's gonna be our 5th year anniversary. Yeah.
5 years.
5.
This one everyone always asks us.
How did you meet?
Yeah.
You commented on my picture. You knew what was up. It was how we met.
Okay, we met on Instagram.
Yeah, we met on IG.
Long story short.
I got this.
What?
We met on IG, you know? And it started off, we had a picture liking battle.
Yeah.
Because I liked your picture first, and then you liked mine.
But you didn't follow me.
I didn't follow you, but then I liked
Why
one
not?
of yours. I mean, I wasn't trying to be like thirsty at the time. So I liked one of yours, and then you liked one of mine back.
But then who made the first real move?
You did. You liked one of my pictures, and you was like,
no, I said something first.
Yeah, you commented. You like,
commented.
You have a nice smile.
Ladies, be aggressive. Go after what you want. I know so many girls that are like, oh, that's not my job. He needs to make, no. If you know what you want, go get it. Because if it was left up to him, we wouldn't be here.
No, I just would have kept liking your pictures, honestly.
Exactly.
I don't know how I found your page. And that was just like, I knew that you were from Dallas, so I'm like,
but
I'm never gonna
that's
meet
a
this
mystery
girl.
we'll never know.
What?
It's how you got to my page.
I literally don't remember how I came across your page, but you know.
We get this one a lot too. How do we make long distance work? I feel like I got this. One, there should be no reason why y'all can't talk frequently.
Yeah, like somebody ain't texting you back, here's someone talking.
Yeah, if someone's not texting you back or they text you like once in the morning, once at night, like no. We would text all day. I mean, you have an untraditional job, but when we met, I had a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And we would still text the whole day. Communication is key. 2, a long distance relationship should not be a permanent thing. That should be temporary. Eventually, either both of y'all are gonna have to move to a new place, so both of you are gonna have to sacrifice, or one of you is gonna have to sacrifice to get to the other one. Yeah. But if y'all don't even have that in mind, then like you're wasting your time. You know?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you gotta have an ultimate goal in mind.
Yeah.
Wasting your time is kind of harsh. But I mean, essentially you are, but you guys are basically just friends. You're not trying to get to that next, like, chapter or level. So,
the point is, like, the long distance part of the relationship should be temporary.
Yeah.
Oh, when he's in season, I just visit, like, once a month.
Mm-hmm.
And then during the off season, we're together. So that's how we make it work. It works for us. It's not hard. People think it's really hard. It's not, right? And when you're apart, it kind of makes you like miss each other and stuff, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. You can answer this one. Did y'all ever take a break or were you always together?
Nah, we never took a break. We tried to go one day without texting each other and couldn't do it.
We couldn't do it. I don't do breaks. In my opinion. When a guy is like, oh, let's go on a break, that's because he wants to go do something he's not supposed to do, but make it okay because you're on a break and then come back when he's done. So we don't do breaks.
No, we don't do breaks.
I don't do breaks. Like, so to answer your question, no, we never went on a break. Okay, quiz question number 1. Where was our first date?
At Chilli's.
Oh, it was.
What'd you think it was? You didn't even know.
I meant like our first real date.
That was a date. You picked me up from the airport. We went to
Okay, that's different. We didn't really have like a choice. Okay.
So you mean like the first time you came
The first time we ever met in person, I picked him up from the airport in Dallas and we went to Grapevine Mills Mall because if you know, it's right by the airport and the restaurant that's in there is Chili's, so we went to Chili's.
Date.
Okay, but I was gonna say season 52.
Yeah, that was our first date.
That was our first real date. That was like,
Yeah.
I went to visit him, yeah. What's something that the other one does that kind of annoys you, but you never mentioned it?
I think all the things that annoy me, I mentioned at some point.
Me too. Okay, well then just name the one thing I do that annoys you the most.
Oh, okay. If you go in our room right now, you'll see clothes scattered all over the floor. I have to step over them.
It's not all over, it's in one section.
It's clothes everywhere. Anyway.
He's OCD and he's very
Yeah,
clean.
it's because of my OCD. You know, when stuff gets out of place, I just get kind of, it just kind of stresses me out just a little bit. You know how, we go to sleep together and I got covers on me and I wake up and I don't have any covers on me. Just sitting there sleeping all peacefully and stuff, bundled up in the covers, and I'm just sitting there like shaking like.
You don't get cold. What's the problem?
At night I do.
I can only think of one.
What?
And you know what it is. That you do everything in the dark. Y'all,
You act like it'd be pitch black in there. I just don't.
He does everything in the dark. Like, I'll go in the room, he's in the dark. If I go in the bathroom and he's brushing his teeth, he's brushing his teeth in the dark. I don't know why that bothers me. It shouldn't bother me because I'm not the one doing it, but it bothers me so much.
It's a lot more stuff to be stressed out about than me brushing my teeth in the dark.
That bothers me.
All right.
Okay, do y'all poop with the door open?
Absolutely
No?
not.
Yes. I poop and pee with the door open.
That's true.
How often do you guys, this is a good one. How often do you guys go out on dates and how do you manage to keep conversing? I think she means like...
Yeah, like keep having stuff to talk about. Just like it did. Like the conversations don't get,
boring.
Yeah, redundant.
We go on dates like...
We try to go like once a week or so.
Mm-hmm.
We try to do something once a week.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not really hard to please us. Like dinner and a movie for us is like, it's cool. We're kind of homebody people.
How do you manage to keep conversing?
I think once you start new chapters in a relationship, the conversation just kind of evolve into like new things. So like when we first met each other, obviously we spent all the time trying to get to know the person. I'm trying to see like who you say you are because I met you over IG. So we had a lot to talk about. Now our conversation is just like, what we gonna do about getting this house? Like,
This is just a funny one for you. How do you get him to take good pictures of you? My husband never gets it right. So Vic takes almost all my pictures. Well, no, I take a lot of them myself. Self-timer ladies, but he takes a lot of them. But I didn't have to teach him how because luckily he has an older sister who makes him do the same thing. So he already knew how.
I think it's just a talent that I was blessed with, honestly.
Yeah. Oh, let me ask you a quiz question. What's my order at Starbucks?
Tall, hot caramel macchiato with soy milk and an extra pump of vanilla. I got a quiz question.
Okay.
What's my favorite number of retro Jordans?
Oh, come on. I don't even know what the numbers are. Give me like, okay, give me.
All right, I'll give you something to choose from.
Okay.
My favorite number of retro Jordans, are they number 2s, number 15s, or number 11s?
I'm straight up SAT like guessing this right now. 11s? Yes! I should ask you some hard ones like that.
What?
I was trying to ask like relationship
Ask a hard one.
Okay. Who is my favorite YouTuber?
Jacqueline Hill.
No.
Oh. It was at one point.
She doesn't ever post anymore.
But
it's
it was.
James Charles.
Oh, that's right.
Remy, the Asian one. Whitney Simmons. Come on.
What's the other dude?
Jeffree Star.
Yeah.
Okay, what's our favorite movies to watch together? I would say Transformers. Those are the ones we watch the most together.
Yeah.
That we both like.
That's an action movie I can put on that she actually wants to watch. But
I like action movies.
She likes watching romantic
just not
comedies.
all the time. Yeah.
Like if I put on an
watch.
action movie, you'll watch it because you want to know what happens.
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm like, let's watch an action movie, like no.
I'm like, no. Yeah. What keeps you guys grounded? What do you do when you get mad at each other? Fun fact, we don't get mad at each other.
Nah, we never really fought.
Yeah, we don't.
Life's too short to be fighting.
I know. I don't know what there is to fight about. We don't fight.
Fighting,
this is the key too. You have to pick and choose your battles. So if one person's mad about something, the other person has to decide if it's worth getting in a full-blown fight about, or if you can just be like, all right, I won't do that anymore, or like, okay, I hear you, and then that's that. Like,
Yeah, that's true.
it's not worth fighting, or not very many things are worth going at it for.
That's true.
That was a good answer. Go me. Okay, what do you guys differ on? Oh, disagree on. Oh, what do you guys disagree on / differ in the most? Music, sports, or food? Music and food. Music only because, okay, we both like trap music. That's where the circle, like, you know the little similar circles you didn't, what's it called?
Yeah, they compare and contrast things.
Yeah, in school. Our middle part, is trap music. But then I like music I can sing to, like R&B stuff, like old Aaliyah, old Beyonce, which obviously guys don't want to listen to old Beyonce singing.
Yeah.
Then he likes oldies, and I think oldies is like...
I grew up on old Motown music, so that's like my favorite type of music. And she hates it.
I don't hate it, I just don't want to
like
listen to it on a whole car ride. Like, just play one, and then we'll move on.
Even when I play one, she's like, can't wait till it's over with. Let me play something.
But for the most part, we listen to the same music though.
Yeah.
Like it's either R&B or trap music.
Yeah. Food.
Oh yeah, food. We differ on food because you eat nothing but meat and I eat nothing but carbs.
If it ain't chicken nuggets, chips, or fries, or mashed potatoes, or rice.
Okay.
She's not touching it.
Well, if yours isn't ribs, steak, ribs, pork, you're just like your dad. Okay, we should do one more quiz.
Yeah.
I have to burp. Okay, let me think of a last quiz question.
What's the name of my hometown city? Go.
Ypsilanti. Oh, where was I born? What city was I born in?
Fremont, California.
I'm kind of surprised you know that. Just because I never say Fremont, I usually just say San Francisco. Because people don't know where Fremont is. Okay, let me do one more relationship-y one. What's the first city that we were together in that wasn't like here or Tampa? But I don't know because we've been in so many cities.
It was probably Brevard County, Florida. Where did we go that we took a picture at?
Oh, the zoo. Yes. If you were thinking a restaurant, I was like so I was gonna be like...
Nah, it was a zoo.
Oh, here's a question. Dang, I only know one part of this question. Okay, where did I first meet your family and where did you first meet mine?
Ooh, you first met mine in Arizona spring training, right?
At?
Benihana's.
Yes.
Yeah. You met my Uncle Brian too.
Yep.
The first time I met your parents?
I know, I can't. Like, did they come to us? Or did we go to them?
Yo.
It was here, because you and my mom took a picture and you were both wearing like khaki, remember? Like
that was the first time I met your parents?
I think so. No, I remember. It was here because we got a hotel in Grapevine and then we drove to have dinner with them. Remember? That was the first time you met them.
Oh, where did we go to dinner at?
I don't remember. Man, we're old.
That was a long time ago. I don't know. She was a one. I was going back and forth on it. You know dudes there.
No, you were not.
No, I mean, but you know, like guys, like even though they want to do it, they're still like nervous to do it because, you know, once you pop the question, it ain't no going back, you know? So
there was already no going back.
I mean, yeah, but you know, I had a lot of conversations with my friends.
You just didn't want to spend, you didn't want to drop the coins.
Nah, it wasn't even about that, man. I don't know, I was in San Antonio and I was like, you know what, bro, I'm about to just do it. What's the point in waiting? And I think I still had like a month and a half or 2 months left in the season. So I called her brother, Corey, and asked him, first I asked his approval or blessing or whatever.
Oh yeah, I told him he had to ask my dad and my brother.
Yeah, I had to ask both of them. And then, so Corey got me in touch. Why, you know, I asked him like, who's his ring guy? Corey got me in touch with him. The process with the ring took a while just because I wasn't physically there.
Yeah.
So I was literally texting the ring guy back and forth, sending him pictures, sending him ideas, and he helped me out a lot. His name is Mike. If anybody's looking for a ring guy in San Francisco, yeah, he's dope.
Mike has made 3 engagement rings for our family.
Yeah, he's dope.
He's the guy.
Yeah, that whole process took about a month and a half.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say longer than that.
No, it took about a month and a half. I mean, that's still kind of long. And then Corey went out there and looked at it a couple times for me because I couldn't actually be there. He was like, yo, this ring is dope. So yeah.
Also though, ladies, look at rings with your man during the relationship. We looked at rings twice.
Yeah, I mean, by the time it was time to get a ring, I knew exactly what she wanted.
Yeah,
which, I mean, honestly helped out.
Remember the first time we looked at rings, I thought I knew what I wanted.
Oh, yeah,
And then I didn't like it at all.
Yeah.
Definitely go look at rings prior. But yeah, after burp, hold on. Okay. That pretty much sums up our relationship Q&A and answering all of y'all's questions. If you have any more questions for us, then feel free to comment them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you, well, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Wait, let's do one of the ones where we eat something.
Oh, the mukbang.
Yeah, mukbang.
We can do.
That's what they say,
Yeah.
right?